This one's a quick video on how you can attach a hole saw to your power drill. What you're going to need is what's called an Abho adapter. That's an Abho adapter. It's a two-part adapter. First we separate both pieces. Take the longer piece with this end and run it through the hole saw. Should fit in just like this. Then we take the bolt, attach it to the other end. And this should be the finished product. Now we can attach this to our power drill. Attach your battery. And now we can use the hole saw to make circular holes into pieces of wood. That's it. Hope you found this video useful.